product. Lot of customers actually are getting benefits from this particular product because it's a 1U. It comes in 1U. Okay. And second thing, for most of the entry enterprise customers actually whose requirement is not very high in terms of capacity, but at the same time they want to test the NVMe. So they can take the advantage of this particular box 5200. So it supports NVMe in the controller enclosures. So there are interface card slots that are supported. Okay, so this is 7200. So I will quickly go through the comparison chart also. This is 9200. Okay, so just let's see what are the different types of drives that are supported in IBM Flash System Storage. Okay, so SAS SSDs that are supported in 5050 and 5035 in controller enclosure as well as expansion enclosure. Okay, we do support NVMe SSDs in all the models from 50 to 100 onwards. Okay. Flash core modules. So flash core modules are special type of drives that are patented with IBM only. Okay, no other vendors can provide it. Anybody using flash core modules in their storage systems here? So obviously, you are using older generation of storage, so this will not be available. But one thing I would like to tell, and which is the unique value proposition of flash core module is, basically if you see as a storage admin, you will be always hesitant to enable compression and encryption into the storage. Because why? Normally, in production workloads, nobody wants to enable compression or encryption because it consumes CPU cycles and it brings the storage performance down, right? So it is the worldwide fact that is known. But in case of flash core module, the advantage is that the compression and encryption is done at the drive level. Okay, so that is the very unique feature. Okay, which no other vendor in the industry provides that. Okay, so flash core module, as it supports compression and encryption on the drive itself, it does not consume the storage CPU cycles, and because of that, your storage performance will hamper. Okay, so that is the unique value proposition. Storage class memory is the final one, and so pure nobody is. This is the type of drive. Basically, again, it's a 2.4 inch drive on in the 2.5 form factor drive. Okay, but the capacity flash core module it supports is huge. Okay, if you have seen NVMe SSDs, mostly they are supported up to 15 terabyte, right? In most of those, other storage vendor scenario also. But here, flash core module supports up to 38.4 TB raw capacity. So that is the huge capacity that it supports. So this is the differentiation. As I was telling you, how flash core module is different from your traditional SSD. Okay, so if you see here, there is a inbuilt chip actually which is built on the drive itself and which gives the benefit of compression and encryption. Okay, apart from that, there are multiple features that is supported by flash core module, but in the interest of time, I will not go into that much details, but you should make a note of it. Okay, and what is the result actually which flash core module will bring? Okay, because it supports bit segregation, health meaning variable voltage. Because of that, flash lifespan of this particular drive is increasing. You will not believe. We have support. Sold this particular storage. In Hyderabad. For most of the vendors, where until now we haven't faced a single drive failure in flash core module. Okay, so that is the basically beauty of this particular. Okay, and since it supports enhanced ECC and error correction coding, okay, the errors and downtime is also reduced. Okay, latency of this particular drive does not decay because it supports variable voltage. Okay, compression without performance penalty. So I explained all that. So this is the comparison chart. Okay, for Flash System family. I will share this particular slide with all of you. Latter part. But if you see here, IBM Flash System family, all the products except 90 to 100, they support all flash as well as hybrid. Okay, whereas I mean in most of the vendor scenarios, they have separate products for all flash, they have separate products for hybrid configuration, right? But in case of IBM flash system, we do support all flash as well as hybrid with the same product. Second thing, this is the comparison basically. I mean, if we go into bits and pieces of this particular chart, so it will take some more time. So I will just keep this for the moment. Okay. So if you see features actually that are available. So as I said, the foundation software on which the IBM Flash system family is runs is IBM Spectrum Virtualize and Storage Insights. Okay. Second thing, these are the features that are available across all the Flash system family, which are in green, highlighted in green. Okay, these are the features that all the Flash system family model supports. But if you see, it does not support data protection and reduction because 50/50 is made for very enterprise customers where they don't want to take the test of data reduction technology, like they don't want to compress the data, okay, because that is not their need. So we do not support compression and deduplication in 50/50, but in 50/35 we do. Okay, from 50 to 100 onwards, actually we support NVMe, okay, flash core modules, storage class memory, and external storage virtualization. Okay, so scalability is one of the important factors when it comes to the. If you have purchased certain capacity and over the period of time you have utilized it, so it is very important that your storage architecture it should support the scalability. So if you see here, I mean the models that are available in the Flash system family, they support 2-way, 3-way as well as 4-way cluster. Okay, and you can whatever the model that we spoke about. I mean, if it is 50/50, 50/35, or 50/100, or 70/100, or 90/100, all supports scalability with expansion. Enclosures. Okay, so in that we do support 12 slot enclosures, 24 slot enclosures, and 92 slot enclosures as well. So that means you will not believe for 50/50 we can attach 10 expansion enclosures. Okay, whereas in case of 50/35 we can attach 40 expansion enclosures. So as I said, I mean efficiency is one of the things because I mean whatever the infrastructure that you have in your environment, you want to take a lot of out of it, right? And how you can achieve in case of storage by compressing the data. Okay, so in case of flash core modules, as I said, we do support compression about 5:1. Apart from that, 2:1 compression is the guaranteed compression that we do support with flash core modules. Again, as I said, resilience is one of the important factors. Okay, where many organizations are looking into it. So we do support traditional, two-site and three-site applications, hyperswap and high availability. So team, basically in the interest of time, I will not take too long on this. But in case if you have certain questions on the storage, please let me know. You are welcome on that. So basically, hyperswap is the high availability solution with 100% high availability. Okay. So in this particular case, there will be two systems. Okay, at two different locations, and that particular volumes will be mirrored across both the things. So in the initial stage, we will manually do it, but later on, since they are already mirrored, system will automatically take. If the one system goes down, the applications will be accessible from the second system. Any other questions? Please.
Suppose we are using the old generation storage right now.
Okay.
The backside we see that in your side, the codes are showing that both the controllers are storage controllers. Suppose in new generation, I want some SMTP alerts or something like that. Suppose one of the storage controllers is going down, then how can I know? Is there any way out?
Yeah. So IBM Spectrum Virtualize, they are equipped with all those functionalities now. With certain enhancement in the code. Okay, so definitely you can configure the alerts into the system. Okay, and in case if there is any hardware failure in the system, or if there is any configuration mismatch, you will be notified through the mail. So that you can do in all the flash system storage models. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks for asking that question. So anybody else? So team, I mean, one last thing, I mean, I would, like end this conversation with, basically, in case, wherever you feel that you have any requirement on all, please let us know, and I will guarantee you that we will work with Ingram, and we will make sure that you will be getting the best prices when it comes to the all flash. Okay, because with 50 to 100, I mean, we are beating all the competitors that are selling flash into the market. Okay, so please give us that opportunity. Okay, whenever you have any requirement on the storage, please do let us know. Okay, so that's all from my side. Anything else? So thanks. Something you would like to add?
Thanks, sir. So although I had a presentation, but I will not come between your dinner and also. Thank you everyone for coming. It's really pleasure to have you all here today in this rainy season and taking out your time for this presentation. So thank you. So parts and videos are open now. So we can have. Thank you all.
We are alliance partners with leading global technology providers, service providers to many Fortune 100 companies, and our quality standards, operations footprint, and strong financials make us a dependable partner who can provide reliable and sustained partnerships to global customers. Sonata's ability to add value is founded on a pillar of deep technology expertise that stems from a portfolio of world-class technology alliances. We have centers of excellence to showcase solution portfolio, best practices, product development, and solutions that we'll bring to the market. We are among the first to adopt and bring newer technologies to market, and our work with cloud mobility and IT appliances bear testimony to this. At Sonata, we offer unmatched expertise, reliability, and speed in accessing the most appropriate technology infrastructure solutions. Our team of certified technology and license experts build on the vast experience in many different customer scenarios and contracts to offer an independent expert view on the technology and licensing options that suit your needs. Identify and highly skilled account managers work towards a long-term plan customized to your specific needs, which delivers maximum value. Our large and experienced deployment and support teams ensure quick and effective implementation and utilization of your infrastructure investments, ensuring measurable ROI for your business. We have a proven track record of serving some of the best customers. The world is always changing, and businesses need a global IT services company, Sonata is focused on enabling leaders to go deeper to transform their business with IT. We are alliance partners with leading global technology providers, service providers to many Fortune 100 companies. The world is always changing, and businesses need to keep pace with the change in order to stay competitive. As a global IT services company, Sonata is focused on enabling leaders to go deeper to
Your data center has a problem. Space, right?
Welcome to Islam Metro, world's leading technology solution platform. We are humbled to be the preferred partner for more than 15,000 restaurants. We cater to businesses and consumers worldwide. We are proud of our team of creative and dedicated people who fulfill our mission of producing with integrity and discipline. If you are already associated with Islam, calling partner or welcome. Thank you for your time. Now, let us work together. Great. Thank you.
So you are handling all that. So you want to see your working with IU. I thought you were IU.
Welcome to Islam Metro, world's leading technology solution platform. We are humbled to be the preferred partner for more than 15,000 restaurants. We cater to businesses and consumers worldwide. We are proud of our team of creative and dedicated people who fulfill our mission of producing with integrity and discipline. If you are already associated with Islam, thank you for your time. Now, let us work together. Great.
the world. We have centers of excellence to showcase solution portfolio, best practices, product development, and new solutions that we bring to the market. We are among the first to adopt and bring new technologies to market, and our work with cloud mobility and IT appliances bear testimony to this. At Sonata, we offer unmatched expertise, reliability, and speed in accessing most appropriate technology infrastructure solutions. Our team of certified technology and licensing